Pakistan meets Canada with Nihari Poutine. We did Nihari birria tacos, Nihari ramen. It's time for poutine. It's also National Poutine Day. I don't know who makes up these days, but I'm not complaining. So I wanted to put my little twist on it. Let's blend cardamom pods, cumin and fennel seeds, chili powder, black peppercorns, and cloves. Season pieces of beef shank with a spice blend along with salt, and in a large pot with clarified butter, sear all sides of our beef shank. Remove the beef and add onions along with ginger, turmeric, and garlic paste and clean the bottom of the pan. Bring the beef back and cover it with water and pressure cook this on medium heat for about 45 minutes until it's super tender. Mix toasted flour with water and add this along with fried onions and green Thai chili peppers. Give it a good mix and cover and cook for 10 minutes. Remove the beef and with a hand blender mix the remaining liquid. Fun fact, on this day in 2014, the word poutine was actually added to the dictionary. And to celebrate, Google Canada made this cool little doodle. In a saucepan on medium heat, add butter and flour to make a roux, then add in our Nihari liquid and with a bit of water to help thin it out. This is going to be our sauce or gravy. Now with 2 forks, let's shred our beef shanks. To make the fries, you could do that triple cook method that I showed in a previous video, but I've seen a lot of comments from you all saying it's a lot of work, and I kind of agree, so you don't have to do this. You can honestly just buy the frozen ones and it'll be great. To assemble in a bowl, add fries, cheese curds, sauce, beef shanks, a bit more sauce, and our Nihari toppings, which include chaat masala, which is a spice blend, cilantro, sliced ginger, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Enjoy.